pill medicines, like Western medicines, but I love essential oils as medicines. They are ancient medicine, and what I do is I get a lot of herbs that are digestible, and I love Young Living because of that quality. But essential oils can be your medicine too. One is if you just smell it, it can change your mood within 3 to 20 seconds because it activates your olfactory. You can also place it on certain points in your system, and also any body organ that you feel is necessary. So I like this one called Abundance because it's got ginger and tarragon and all these digestive oils. And I will actually put that on my belly and I will rub it in, and I'll send good energy to it. And then I love rosemary. It's a lot of anti stuff, like anti-inflammatory and antifungal. But this, I love to drop on the top of my head, okay, because it's good for memory and focus. Okay. The best, though, is to put it on your feet. So in the morning, I pull out all my essential oils and I put it on the bottoms of my feet, and I rub my feet, and I push on certain pressure points. So I would rather do this than take medicine any day because one, I'm doing self-care and there's so much about touch and the healing powers of your hands, and also pressure points. And then I smell fabulous most of the time. On the stinky oils, I always put it on the bottom of my feet. There are oils that I don't like, but I know that they're good for me. So oils aren't supposed to all smell good, they're supposed to work, okay? And so the bottom of your feet have all of these pressure points, and also they're linked with body organs. And so in the morning, I will layer probably about a good 20 oils on the bottom of my feet. And I have a little girl, her name's Bella, she's 4. She loves oils too, and we do the bottom of her feet. And that's how I get her to fight a lot of conditions right now, because it boosts her immunity. So the ones that she always uses is Thieves, and we changed them up because oils, like anything, your body can get used to it. So you want to change it up every 3 or 4 days and then go back to it. So I have a set of oils that I do for her, like for 3 or 4 days, and then I change it where it's like other oils that are similar in qualities and properties, but we change it up. So the bottom of the feet. Now, one thing about this is that because your feet are oily, it will imprint on the floor if you have tile floors or wood floors, and it's not good for wood floors. So be sure you wear socks afterwards, or you have house slippers. Or do it at the end of the night too when you're just in bed.